what is the dollar amount you are going to post from your inventory account to your cost of goods sold account. So this is the topic that we want to discuss, the cost flow. So this is the direction from the inventory balance sheet account to cost of goods sold income statement account. And you might think that how stupid the question is. You say, okay, how much dollar amount you sell to your customer, and you just post that amount to your cost of goods sold, right? So you think that this question is so simple, but I hope that you don't think yourself stupid because you are taking this course. Let's see, move to the example. The key point is here. A company may make several purchases during a period of time. So see here, let's suppose that Walmart makes 3 purchases in year 2007. One is on May 12th for 100 units and for $10 for a unit. Okay, and for the second purchase is made on August 14th for 200 units, but the unit price is 11. And the third purchase on September 18th, 120 units, but the unit price is 15. Now, suppose on October 1st, Walmart sells 80 units. Suppose Dr. Watson wants to buy 80 laptops as a present to the students who are good in the good standing in the class. Okay.
Who told you I did that?
Okay, so now Walmart is going to sell 80 units on October 1st. Now, what is the cost flows? You want to sell this purchase first, or the second purchase first, or the third purchase first, because the unit price is different. And then when you calculate the cost of goods sold, the result will be different if you choose different layer, if you choose different purchase. So that's the purpose of we learn the cost flow. Okay, so when we talk about the cost flow assumption, the most commonly used are these 3: average cost, and first in, first out, and the third one is less in, first out. I'm going to introduce this first in, first out in the class. Okay, what does the first in, first out mean? So in here means purchase, and out here means sale. So that means that the first purchase you made, and then the first purchase you sell. Okay. So similarly, for the third one, LIFO, last in and first out. So for the last purchase you made, that one goes out first. Okay. So let's go back to the previous slide. So the FIFO one, if you are going to sell 80 units, then you post this layer first. So 80 units times the unit dollars 10, then the cost of goods sold is 800. Okay, so if we go back to the first slide, you post 800 from your inventory to your cost of goods sold. Okay, but for the LIFO, we post the last one first. So now you have to post 80 units times unit price is 15, and then post to the cost of goods sold. And now I want to make a little bit complicated. How about we change to what if Walmart sells 400 units on October 1st? Now suppose we use the FIFO method. Okay, these are the given data we saw in the previous slide. Okay, so if we want to sell 400 units, let's see. Suppose we are using the FIFO. So for the first one, for the first purchase, we have 100 units, which is more than the unit we are going to sell, right? So that is not enough. Then we will go to the second layer, which is 200 units. And up to now, we already accumulated 300 units, which is still smaller than the unit amount we are going to sell, which is 400 units. So we have to go to the third layer, which is 120. But will we use all the 120 units? No, because we are going to sell only 400. And we already have 300 here, so only 100 is short, right? So we will only use the 100 units from this layer. And there are 20 units left on our book, right? So we go to the cost of goods sold part. See here, for the first purchase, 100 units times the unit price is 10, we get 1,000. And for the second purchase, which is 200 units times unit price 11, and we get 2,200. And for the third one, we only use 100 units, right? And the unit price 15, we got 1,500, and 20 units are left on our book, which is ending inventory, right? So then we sum up the cost of goods sold here with 4,700, and this is the amount for the cost of goods sold. And how do we decide the ending inventory in terms of the dollar amount? We already know that the ending inventory unit is 20, right? But for the last layer, for the last purchase, 20 units are left in the last purchase, right? So we have to apply the unit price here. So 20 units times 15 unit price, and we get 300 on our book for the ending inventory. So basically, that's the cost flow if we use the first in, first out. Due to a time limitation, so for the last in, first out, I want you to do it by yourself. You will just apply for the same logic, but just last in, first out. And then we will discuss this example next time in our class. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.